Hello everyone, my name is Moses. You're welcome to my channel. As you can see today, we're going to enter these expenses in Tally ERP9. We're going to create a salary expense, okay, totaling that amount, but we want to be able to track the specific amounts that employees take from the company. Okay, as you can see, John is getting 250,000 and Lydia is getting 350,000. To do that, let us start. Okay, you open your Tally program. You press enter and select company. Okay, from here, by default, we are going to use a system called or a feature called payroll. Okay, by default it is not available in any Tally, like it is not enabled. We just need to enable it. How do we do it? What we do, we just either press F11 or we just double click on F11. Then here we double click on accounting features. Here we just go down and look for maintain payroll. This, from here we just change it to yes. Okay, we just continue to these others. Don't change anything. Okay, we come back here. We have finished that. Now the next thing to do, we're going to do in accounting vouchers. Actually, we go to accounting info, accounts info. We go to ledgers. Okay, we first display ledgers. Go back. This is not what we wanted. Accounts info, ledger groups. Okay, single group. First display the groups. Okay, this is what we want. Okay, here we say we create single group. We're going to type a ledger group called salary expense. We press enter. Here we select here we put it under indirect expenses. Press enter. Okay, now we go back. Here we're going to go to payroll info. Okay, we'll go to employee groups. I'm going to give it like sales. Okay, press enter. Here you go to, let us call it logistics. Okay, for now let us end there. Okay, here we put employees. We said our first employee, let us put John. Enter. John is supposed to be under logistics. Date of joining, you put in your date of joining for that employee. Here you put now an employee number or other things. You just put them in. June is a male. Blood group, put unknown. But for you can put the correct information. What I'm putting here is just for testing purposes, for learning purposes. Okay, here we put Lydia. Lydia is going to fall under sales. Again, here we put the joining date. Lydia is a female. Okay, now we can go back. I will go back. Now here you can put units of work. You can say days. Okay, then we put, okay, for now let us just leave it like that. We go back. Here we select pay aids. We put John. Okay, enter. Here we select earnings for employees. Press enter. Here we put salary expense. Okay, affect net salary, yes. Name on the pay slip, yes. Here you say calculate flat rate. Okay, here we say months. Here we say not applicable. Press enter. We're going to put Lydia. Earnings for employees. Okay, here we just say salary expense. Affected salary, net salary, yes. Name to appear in payslip, Lydia. Here we just press enter. But for you, it will depend on what you want. Sometimes you might need to select otherwise. For me here, I'm just showing you how to go about the salary payments. Okay. Now here we just escape. Now we go here on payroll vouchers. Okay, press enter. You're going to use cash to pay. You're going to pay John. Here we select the particulars. Again, you select John. Here we're going to let us check. John was getting 250. We'll put it here, 250. We press enter, 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 enter. Okay, now we are going to pay another one. We select the account where we want to get money from. We are going to select Lydia. Again, we select here Lydia. You have to select 2 times, otherwise, if here you select Lydia and here you select another name, in the expenses and the salary expenses, it will be showing that you have paid this person here, not the person we intended to pay. So you have to always make sure that the name appearing here should also appear here in the particulars. Okay, Lydia, let us see what was Lydia getting. 350. We press enter, enter, and enter, enter. Now let us go and check, because we have finished what we wanted to achieve. Now let us go and check in profits and losses to confirm. Okay, so for indirect expenses, we have 600,000, and it is the net loss, because so far we have not sold anything. This is just a sample company which I have created for learning purposes, just for you. Let us press enter and look inside this indirect expenses to check and find out. Okay, once you check in indirect expenses, you can find that there's what we call salary expense. Okay, and let us see what is under salary expenses. We can see that under salary expenses, we have John received 250,000, and Lydia received 350,000. All of these employees, when you total their salaries, you get 600,000. This is how we get employees paid in Tally ERP9. Thank you guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye bye.